Hi guys, it's PJ. This is an Aprilaire air cleaner, model 201. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these. I know a lot of people have struggled getting these things, putting these in, and a lot of homeowners don't like them. And this is your replacement media. This is what comes in the box. So I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace them. Sorry about the noise. This will probably be another video I'm uploading right now. I'm recovering refrigerant out of another Geo. I work on a lot of these. What do we got? Conair, but it's for another video. So basically, when I go to change these, the best way to do it, I'm a little premature with getting the new one out, but you open up your side flaps first. There's little notches here. Pop each one open along each side. Okay. Then I pop out these combs. And I even know some other contractors, they will not even, they won't sell these to people. They just hate them. They say that they're the hardest thing in the world. I've never really had that problem. So you get your spreaders out, combs, whatever you want to call them. Then there's a little flap right along in here. See that? See? So we pop that open, and let me get around here. There's even a little sign on there: open plastic flap and place over hook. And that just slides over this little hook right here on all four corners. That one's off. So there's our old one. Now, interesting thing is going to be, see how easy this actually is if I can do it one-handed. But I think we can make it happen, right? So I was just the reason I was doing this was I was just talking to a friend of mine that does HVAC work for another company, and he was just complaining about these. They did I guess he had an apartment complex he was doing service on, and he went from one to the next to the next to the next of having to change these. He said it took him all day long to do, I don't remember what it was like 10 or 12 of them, but so I was giving him a hard time about it. And I was asking him what he did or what he didn't do to make it so hard. I never could figure it out. So I'll get one end snapped in, and then let's pull this over. I'll hook this side. Don't worry about anything in the middle yet. Whoops. Slide it right down over that hook. So I'm thinking if I could do this one-handed, it's really not that hard. So, okay, let me snap this end in. And honestly, the hardest part about this whole thing is this part right here, which isn't that bad. When I put my combs in, sometimes I'll lay them down and feather them in, or you can come up here at an angle like so, and then I just kind of watch each tooth as I rock it kind of down into there. And it helps if you go through with a filter and kind of get it evenly spread out. And there's a notch on both sides for these guys. Snap that in. Snap that in. So now you got the hardest part done. Now it's just a matter of just dropping the rest of these in. And the easiest way to do that is you go right beside the one that you just did. Line up your combs. Separators, combs, I don't know, whatever you guys call them. Take that to the next notch. And keep on going down the line. I said when you line them up, when you just stick it right here beside your other one. So you can see this, what I'm doing here. Just drop it in right there beside it. It's gonna be that one. That one. Snap those in. And you see where those snapped in? There's a little, I think I showed that, but there's a little notch for each one of them. Those are down already. Then you take your sides, hold them up, snap them in, and this filter, the media, this part, it only goes in to this rack one way, and then the rack shows you how it goes back in, usually from the side here. You can see that arrow, yep. Airflow that way. And it has these little pull tabs to get it in and out of the compartment it's in. And that's all there is to it. So there you go. That's how you replace an Aprilaire model 201. I think the air cleaner models are 2200 and 2250, but the media replacement number is 201. So that's how you do it. Not very hard. So this is on this side back here is the side catching all the dirt. Okay. Feel free to you can send me a PM or ask a question in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer them. Anything special you might want to see, I'll be glad to try to do some specialty videos if you'd like. So, take care, be safe out there, and have a great day.